Hi, Jeff Jones, Boise Realtor, taking you on a tour of one of my listings out here in Nampa. Lake Lowell is just behind us where the Deer Flat preserves. This home is 2,942 square feet, 3-bedroom, 2.5 bath with an extra bonus room above the garage. We'll go ahead and check it out. Got a 3-car garage here, and this was actually on the Parade of Homes. This was a builder's Parade of Homes back when the home was built in 1997, and had the entire inside redone, all new light fixtures and appliances in the last 2 years. So as we come in here, there's a little half bath powder room here near the entry. Primary bedroom. Large walk-in closet here, plenty of space here. And then you've got a room out every room. There's Lake Lowell back there. You can see the lake. And then kind of a walk around, built-in glass shower here. Dual vanity, large mirror there, I love that. And then this sunken tub here, jetted tub. Looks like a really nice place to relax in the evening. Private area for the bathroom here. This is on 2.25 acres. You could plant an orchard at this house. And then 2 bedrooms over here with a Jack and Jill pass-through, dual vanities. Private area for the shower. And then you have this living room here. Lots of windows for natural light on either side of the house. Formal dining area. And this rock is all new. New light fixtures throughout the house, recessed lighting, granite countertops, stainless steel appliances. And from here, you can work on all your stuff, easy access to the fridge to do all your cooking. Again, lake views back there. Nice panorama fireplace here, and that rock backsplash is nice on that wall. We've got a 3-car garage right out here. And Boise Parade of Homes, 1997. And then the bonus room up here. If you know anyone that needs a 3,000 square foot house with 2.25 acres on the backside of Lake Lowell, looking for a little seclusion and privacy, give me a call. Thanks. Bye.